Good morning, boys and girls. Today in Maths for Number of the Day, we are going to be focusing on a teen number. So the first thing you need to do, most importantly, is put your name on the top of your work. So we know that a teen number is between the numbers 11 all the way through to the number 19. So you need to choose a number from 11 to 19 of your choice, otherwise you can get an adult to help you. Today I have chosen to work on the number 17. So now I'm going to complete this part of the activity where I need to write a number that is 10 less, 10 more, 1 more and 1 less. So if we look at the number 17 and we subtract 10, our new number would be 7. Now, the reason I knew that is because I am taking away 10, which means that I am looking at the 1 because that's in the tens place. So I would take away the 10 and I would keep the number 7. Now, to add 10, what we could do is put the number 17 in our head because it's the bigger number, and then we could count on 10. So again, to add 10, you could look at the value of the 1 in our number 17 and you could add another 10. So that would make it 2 tens, but the 1s would stay the same. Next, you would move on to taking away 1 number from your teen number and also adding 1 number to your teen number. So now I'm going to show you what my number looks like using base 10 materials. We know them at school as MAB blocks. So we have used for the number 17, 1 10 and then also 7 1s. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to determine whether or not the number 17 is an odd or an even number. Now if we look at the number 7 in the ones place value, we can't split that number into 2 equal groups, which means that our number 17 would be an odd number. Now looking at a number line, we need to record our number on the number line. So it starts from 0 and goes to 20. So the first thing I would do is determine where the middle of the line is. So if you like, you could count these little lines here to help you figure it out. So I was able to find the middle of the number line, which is the green circle in the middle, and then I counted on another 7 to figure out where 17 would sit on my number line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just a reminder that when you are drawing your tally marks, you draw 4 smaller lines and 1 bigger line through it, which represents a group of 5. So we can see here that we have 10 at the moment and I need to add another 7. Now we have 17 tally marks, we can move on to writing our equation. So the same as for this question is asking you to write out your numbers. So we would have 10 plus something equals something. So in my case, I have used the number 17. So I would write 10 plus 7 equals 17. Now remember that your teen number may be different. So just making sure that you're mindful of what your number is. Next, you're going to write your teen number in words just at the bottom here. So a good way to remember that is numbers 13 all the way to 19 end with teen when it's written as a word. It's now your turn to have a go at the activity. Remember, you can choose your own teen number, otherwise you can ask an adult for some help. Remember to upload your work onto Class Dojo so your classroom teacher can view your work.